Hi, if you're a small creator like me, this video will surely help you save some time. I'm gonna show you how you can make viral thumbnails for free, so you don't need any Photoshop to do this. So I'm gonna show you some samples that I made. Uh, Let me get my face out of the way. Mm, there we go. So these are the samples I made using this tool. Look at that. These are for my gaming videos. So let me show you how you can make one. Let's do this. First open your browser and you're gonna type in this. You're gonna go to this website. You have to sign in. Now scroll down and you see there YouTube thumbnail. There we go. And you can type your title in this box. Let's say how to fix white t-shirt getting stuck at 0 views. Click around. Wow, look at that, guys. That's a perfect thumbnail. You can download it. It's gonna be there. So to get a even more perfect thumbnail, use ChatGPT to craft a detailed prompt. Just tell it about your video and how you want the thumbnail to look like the character, the visuals, and the text. If that is too much for you, I got a prompt template in the description. Just copy and paste it into ChatGPT. Okay, this is a prompt. Just copy it. I'm gonna go to ChatGPT, paste it. Okay, this is our title. There we go. And hit enter. Copy this and paste it here and run. If you want your face to be in here, just download this and you have to go to this swap AI, upload your image to this. Uh, that's my, yeah, that's me. And swap. There we go. Okay, you can get this. So thank you for watching.